Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Math. Today we're starting a new topic which is two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes. We are going to learn about many shapes, so let's get started. By the end of this lesson, I can identify two-dimensional geometric shapes. But first, let's do this mental math. Do you remember these signs? These symbols, less than and greater than? I'm sure you do. So please, let's use them to answer these questions. Pause the video, do them, and when you finish, continue with the video. Alright, so let's see. 27 is to 84. Is it less than or more than? 27 is smaller, so it is less than. 45 is less than 78. 55 is more than 29 or greater than 29, and 72 is less than 92. Great job, guys! Okay, so please go watch this video. You will find the link down in the description, or you can copy and paste it from your PowerPoint. Watch it and come back to the lesson. Alright, so let's review. Here are all the shapes that we are learning today. All of them are on this slide. The first is circle. This is a circle. Triangle. Triangle. I need you to repeat after me. Let's start again. Circle. Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. Parallelogram. I'll say it twice. Parallelogram. And the last one is trapezoid. Trapezoid. We're going to study them in detail now. The first one that we have here is what is this? Great, the circle. Do you know how many sides do the circle have? How many does it have? It has 0 sides. How many angles? 0 angles. This is the circle. A circle has no sides and no angles. The next one we have is the triangle. Do you know how many sides do the triangle have? Let's count them. It's 3. 1, 2, 3 sides. And do you know how many angles? 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. The corner of the shapes are called angles. These are angles. You can call them also corners, but we are now learning as angles. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. The word tri means 3. Let's see what's next. I think we all know this one. It's a square. How many sides? Can you count the sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we are correct. Yes, a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many angles? 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Great job, you guys. A square has 4 straight sides and 4 angles. All the sides in a square are the same length. That is very important to know, guys, that all the sides on a square have the same length. Let's see what's next. What is this? It's a rectangle. How many sides? It has 4 sides. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, so what's the difference between square and rectangle? The difference is that it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. A rectangle has 2 long sides. Do you see this side is long as well as this one? And these 2 sides are shorter. So they do not have the same length in all sides like the square. It has 2 longer sides. What's next? This is the next shape. It is a pentagon. The word penta means 5. The word penta means 5. So how many sides do you see? Before I tell you, can you say it? Count them. Great. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. How many angles? 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So this is a pentagon. And again, I will repeat. Penta means 5. So a pentagon has 5 straight sides and 5 angles. All the sides are the same length. So these are very important points. 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 sides which are the same length. Alright, next one. We have a hexagon. Hexa means 6. So when you see this word, hexa, it means 6. Look at the X. The word 6 has an X on it. So it's going to be easy for you to remember when you see the X. 6, hexa means 6. And X is there in both words. Let's see. How many sides? 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many angles? 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A hexagon has 6 straight sides and 6 angles. All the sides are the same length. Okay, guys, so you have here 2 new shapes, the pentagon and the hexagon. The difference is the penta has 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. All of their sides are the same length. Next shape we have here, what is this? This is called a trapezoid. Trapezoid. How many sides do you see, guys? And how many angles? By now you have to know where are the sides and where are the angles. Do you see them? Yes, great job. How many sides? Okay, 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. A trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 angles. Only 2 sides are the same length, which are these ones. 2 of the sides of the trapezoid are the same length. Then we have a little bit of a long word, but it's not difficult. Parallelogram. How many syllables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it has 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. A parallelogram has 4 sides and 4 angles. The opposite sides are the same length. The opposite sides are the same length. That means that this side and this side are opposite to each other and they are the same length. This side and this side are opposites and they have the same length. Let's do the first task. Guys, go and grab your book, your math book, and open it in page 739. Okay, first thing we do is write the date. Write the date on top of the page. Today is Sunday, June 7, 2020. It's only 5 days for my birthday. Alright, so have you done your date? Great, so let's see what we have to do. We need to draw a line from each shape to its name. We have 5 shapes right here. You need to match them to its name. Okay, so do this. Pause the video. Do it. When you finish, continue with the video to check your answers. The first one is right here. What is this, guys? It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Which word did I tell you that means 3? Let's see. The word try. Remember, try means 3. Triangle. Number 2, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Which word is the same meaning of 6? Guys, which one? You remember? One that has an X on it. 6 has an X. And hexagon also has an X. Hexagon. We all know this, right? This is a circle. Circle. It has a soft C. Circle. Square. Oh, I just remember Mohammed he really likes SpongeBob SquarePants. And the last one is rectangle. It has 2 longer sides. All right. Task number 2. Open page 740. And let's do this. You have to circle the shapes that match the name. So you guys, look at the name. Try to read it by yourself carefully. And then circle the shape. If you still have any doubts, go back to the lesson and check the names of the shapes. So in number 1 and number 2, you need to circle the shapes that match the name. And in number 3, write the name of the shape, write the name of this shape, and then circle a shape that matches, a shape that looks the same, that looks like this one. Right, pause the video, do it, and then check your answers. Number 1, the long word, parallelogram, parallelogram. Which one is it? It's this one. And this one. We had 2 parallelograms. Number 2, triangle. This is a triangle as well as this one. We have 2 triangles. Let's see for number 3. Do you remember the name of the shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Which is the shape that has 6 sides? Is the hexagon. The only one with an X on it, just like 6. Hexagon. Here is your closure, guys. Identify the shape of each sign. As I told you, math is everywhere. Math is there every day of our lives. It is something that we use daily. So when we drive, when your mommy or daddy drives and we are in the car with them, we see the signs outside, and all of the signs are made out of a shape. So this is a sign that we see in the streets. It's made of which shape? It's a triangle. What about this one? Can you see the sides? Has two longer sides. It's a rectangle. Great job, you guys. I really love teaching you. Thank you so much for being here and have a very good rest of the day. Bye bye.